Okay guys, what's up? It's Nick. We're out here in Oceanside today with the Holler Junk Removal. We just went and cleaned up our yard today. Got all cleaned up after we did a bunch of big jobs all week. So we have to separate all the recyclables from the metal to the e-waste, all those fun items that people just like to throw in the trash. Or they say they recycle, which they really don't. But we do. So we're over here at e-waste in Oceanside. We're gonna come and drop off a bunch of computers today. I think we got a bunch of laptops and a couple screens, computer screens we drop off. What's up, bro? What's going on? Right here. Okay. Huh? I don't know. Yeah, right here. I'm watching you. Okay, so we're gonna drop them off. It's super important that we recycle. A lot of people just throw their shit in the trash, but we make sure we recycle. 75% of all items we pick up, we go through it, we scrap it. We're just watching a big thing today on the news about illegal dumping out in the desert of California. It's super sad. What's up, bro? We're here, we're gonna recycle some Apple laptops today. Check it out, check it out. Right here, dude.
You want your bucket?
No, you can have it. How many do I have? I have, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 computers. Couple phones. So we're gonna drop them off. Where do you want? Right here? I'm watching you. Got all these. Check it out. Some more. Oh, I got, yeah, all the phones. You got this keyboard. Got a keyboard. Get this keyboard out here. Let's see if we got anything else for you. No. You need a tetherball for your kids? You want it? $5.
$5. Bicycle, I pay you $5.
Huh?
The bicycle.
The bicycle. You want the bike?
No.
Okay. I'll give it to you.
How about 10? No.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's all there, dude.
I need the metal only, it's okay.
You want it? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go scrap it in. There you go, my man. Okay.
Okay.
And there you go. The e-waste in Oceanside. What's the address here?
2660 Pacific Drive.
2660 Pacific Drive. Bring all your e-waste. And they'll take it out of your truck for you. All right. We're off to the scrap yard. So now we'll go scrap all our scrap. So don't throw it in the landfill. Just saw a big report today. In California, there's 3 big disposal companies. They're just taking it out to the desert and fucking illegally dumping it. There's big lawsuits going on right now in California, in LA County. They're taking all your trash. They're saying they recycle all your green waste, all this. It's all just going out in the fucking desert of California. Super sad. You can YouTube it, check it out. They're just lying to you. All those recycle bins taken out of the desert, making piles of that shit. So do your part and recycle. Call us up. We'll come get any of your e-waste products for you. We'll recycle them 100% and make sure they go to their proper burial place. It doesn't cost us that much more to do. We just do it because we want to be good stewards of the environment. We want to leave this world in a better place than we came in, and right now we all got to do our part because it's getting bad. So anyway, we're gonna go to the recycler, drop off some scrap metal, and we'll have the whole yard cleaned up for the day. Get ready. Tomorrow we got a huge day. We got a hoarder encampment tomorrow. It's like 15 acres of just fucking trash everywhere. So keep watching our videos, like them, subscribe. You'll be able to see that big job tomorrow. We'll start it tomorrow. It's gonna take a couple of days. It's huge. It's the biggest hoarder encampment I've ever seen, or I've ever cleaned out, actually. It's gonna be a big one. So look at all the building. They're building all that crap in Oceanside still. There's people building everywhere. All right, ooh. We're off and running. Stay tuned.